Big day for Krakow Christmas markets because for the first time we have a second Christmas market in the small square. 1st of December, just opened a couple of hours ago. It's much smaller than the one in the main square, but they quite often have markets here. It's a popular market spot. I had a quick look around already. And there is a lot of the stuff that you see at the markets that we get here all year, but there is some kind of unique Christmas things too. I will try and point out what I think are the better ones, but they've done a really nice job. Very pretty, got its own tree. So some of these things are just the regular. Like I say, these are here regularly. Hello! This is unique. This I haven't seen before. This is the shop key. And it's the shop key competition starting Thursday at the main market. But I haven't seen them for sale like this before.
Yes, it's the first time that we can...
Yeah! Are these ones that are actually been in the competition in other years?
Three of the gablets are from the competition. The first one is only for selling.
It's only for, okay.
But the competition last year.
This one?
Yes, and it was the second prize on the family category.
Ah, fantastic. And are you the museum? Are you part of the museum or are you?
I am nativities in maker.
Ah.
This small one on this box.
Yes.
Brown box is mine.
Okay. So this gentleman was explaining he made this one. Look at that. These are unique. These are unique. Everyone different. Everyone made by Krakowians.
If you want.
Won first prize in the family category last year. Amazing stuff. So that was a bit special to catch the gentleman I got talking to. He's going to be one of the hosts of the publicity on Thursday. And he's a craftsman, he makes them also. That's great to see them at the Christmas market. And it's really nice to have a Christmas market in this setting also. The small square is also gorgeous. This is fantastic that we now have two markets. That's a real boost. And because it's two different companies that organize the two markets, they're different. If you go to some of the other cities, you know, it's one mega market all done by the same company. So you see a lot of the same things repeated over and over. But this is quite different. And we now have a Christmas market mug for your mulled wine. Probably limited edition, so maybe I should get one. One thing I would point out is the alleyways in this market. You can see they're pretty thin. And I've noticed this when I've come here before, different markets during the year. This one tonight will probably be really packed. Hard to navigate around. Look, the alley gets even thinner when you get to the food. Talking of food. Oh yeah. So look at how thin it gets. So you can imagine when there's a lot of people here. It's already kind of difficult to navigate through. Great news on the pricing this year. No longer selling this stuff by weight, because the prices used to shock a lot of people when it was by weight, by 100 grams. This year they've had to do price per portion. And if local residents have a car to Krakow, they get 25% off as well. So some big changes this year. And positive ones, I would say. I really like it. I'm filming this about midday on Monday the 1st. It's gonna get busier than this. The oshipek, melted sheep's cheese. Gotta be done. Whoa, what do we got going on here? If you need some bread, that's where you come. So again, on this side, kind of a little thin. So it'll be very pretty in the evenings, but it'll be busy. I got talking to the young man here. These guys come to the pierogi festival every year. They got pierogi, but I haven't seen these before. The cabbage rolls. Golumki. Look at them. They look pretty good. They look really good. I would suggest them. And like I say, it's fair pricing this year. Look. Golumki. Let's find it. Can't find it. Stuffed cabbage roll.
And if you want to pay, you can.
1 to 20 zloty. That's definitely something like, you know, this is great. You got croqueta, pierogi, golumki. Or they've got the salmon ones. Like you only tend to see these. I only see them at the pierogi festival. They're my favorite. They're Nina's favorite. The black pierogi, salmon, washosh. I think it's terrible pronunciation, but it's salmon. They are delish. I had a look here. This guy's got some really nice ones. Really, really nice ones. I love the Krakow themed bumpki. Great. I love making my Christmas market videos. I love making the market videos all year long. We really seem to have them regularly, like every couple of months. Easter one is my favorite because sometimes you get the nice weather also. Autumn markets. They're in this square, main square. But I really enjoy making these films of the markets, and it's really, really nice to have two to show you this year. Buy one Christmas market, get one free. My friend, I'm so happy to see you at a market. Congratulations. Congratulations. This couple, we featured them a lot. They both are fantastic artists. Yaroslav, I recognize his paintings. He makes them every day in various locations in Krakow. And the prices you wouldn't believe, they're really, really good. For original artwork, I have a couple of his large paintings. There's the price, yeah. What about the big one? This one? Yes. 445? I mean, 445 for original artwork. That's just great. I love this. I love this. This is nice. I'm going to put that on my Christmas list. Why are you pointing to that?
23 over
Oh, number 23. Come and look at number 2. So Alina is also making our. Look at those. So their shop is. They have a permanent shop right next to Galeria Krakowska. But come and get some. How about a little bit of artwork to take? There's really like nice small ones. They'll fit in your Ryanair luggage. Oh, here we go. Look. Yaroslav, Alina. Good luck.
Thank you.
Yaroslav actually came to Nina and my wedding, and he painted our portrait on our wedding day. So very, very, very fond of his art. Some beautiful candles, various styles, but how festive are those? Look at that, gorgeous. Again, great. They will fit in your Ryanair luggage. This market has a little bit more of a craft vibe to it than the one on the main square. We're coming to an end. See, it's just 2 lanes. Main market maybe has like 10 or 12 lanes. A couple of food stalls here. Main market has tons of food stalls. So much smaller, but everyone is different. All different craftsmen. So a lot of more unique things here. But the 2 together, what a combination. Well, my suggestion is you come to both. We're behind the Mariatsky Church. Very easy to find, so it's literally 2 minutes away from the main market, Christmas market. So absolutely you can come and do both. And watch out for the video I made yesterday of a superb Christmas restaurant. Just 10 minutes walk from here. I think do the main market, do the smaller market, do that Christmas restaurant. That will be an unbelievable Christmas market day experience. And I would put that up against any of the Christmas markets for experience. There we go. Happy day. Like, I enjoyed that. It's nice. I hope if you visit it, there's enough room for you to have a good look, proper look around. Merry Christmas. And if you're going to take a golf cart ride, this is the man you got to look for. This is Peter. Peter.
Hello, everybody.
You got a Christmas market this year.
On the Christmas market and on the tour by electric car.
Yeah, you must be so happy you got a Christmas one. Okay, main market, Christmas market there in the main square. Mariatska, come behind the Mariatska, past the bulldog, small square, small Christmas market there. Very close, but easy to miss one of them. Well, easy to miss the small one. So, that's how you do it.